Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to create light and dark mode theme in your application. This is my profile screen. As an example, I have created this UI and right now it is running as dark mode. Now if I will change it to light mode, then the color of background, button color and the text color has changed automatically according to the lighter mode. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, you will have to create a page with theme data, and I have created here two for brighter mode and for the dark mode. Brightness, I am taking here brightness dot light and here brightness dot dark, due to which it will detect that I have chosen from my device lighter mode or dark mode. So this is the color scheme dot light for the lighter and dark for the dark one. Background, I have taken shade 400, and this primary I have taken here deep orange, and here if you will see orange with shade 3. Secondary color is also gray shade 200 and tertiary color is gray shade 900, and again I have settled these two color according to our use. You can change it according to your color. Like I have used here deep orange, you can use green, deep green when you want to show your app in lighter mode, and if you want to show your app in dark mode, then you can use your color according to your requirement. Now let's move towards this UI. This is the basic UI that I have created here. This one is the app bar. Sorry, there won't be any app bar, so I'm going to delete it. This is my background. So what I will do here, let me explain the UI first. This is single child scroll view. There is column and there is center and then stack. Why I have used the stack for this particular camera icon. This is my image, this is circle image, and after that I have positioned the camera icon. So this is happening because of this stack, and then there is this text. Now this color are static. I am going to change it according to our theme. This is size box of 16 for this space, profile text field. I will create another class for this. These are the text fields, and this is my elevated button. So let's move on. Creating here another class. This class is for text field only. I'm providing the UI for this text field. So let me shrink this, and for this button let me add some style. And what color it should take? It should take from this theme data, and I'm going to set this primary and this primary color when the dark mode is on. So this primary will set the background color of the button. So theme dot context dot color scheme dot primary. That's it. And for text I'll choose this one, tertiary, and this would be when the mode will be selected from from your phone lighter, then the text color will be dark, and if it would be dark mode, then your text color would be white. So again, let me this Russian, okay. And there are few more things that I will have to change. Now if I will run this, you will see these kind of things. So I will have to make little bit of changes, like this image is going up, so I will add here size box, should be height of 100, I think, yes. Okay, and again for background I am choosing here in dot of context dot color scheme dot background. So the background I have taken this for lighter mode and this for dark mode. So now let me slide this in. And for another one, and again for this icon you can also use color from your theme. For this text I'm using, I want to show this text when the theme mode is selected lighter, then I want to show this text as dark, and if it is dark, then I want to show it uh, in white color. So what I will choose, I will choose this one, star shading. So theme dot, so color scheme dot star shading. Now if you will run this, it is in lighter mode, that is why text color is black. I will change the mode, dark mode, color is white. Again for all those things, it is for this text, I think, yes. No, this one is the hint text, and this is the label. So what I will do, this one is coming like blue in color always, so I'm also going to change this when our theme changes. Context dot color scheme dot tertiary. Now you will see that this is in white color, and if I will change the mode from dark to light, the color of the text has changed from white to black. And I will put the code on GitHub and will share the link with you. You can uh, use my code, and or you can develop your code, but the basic thing that I want to share you is related with this theme data. You can manage your app color uh, in light and dark mode with the help of this theme data. So that's it in this video. Hope to see you next time in our next video. Bye for now.